Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. What is the Snapchat friend limit? So Snapchat has a limit on how many friends you can have on one Snapchat account, and in addition to that they limit how many friends you can add every single day. Let's see how you can fix it if you are running into those limitation issues. I'll open my web browser and you can see that they have a support article on troubleshooting adding friends. You can see that under 3 and 4 it says you have too many friends. There is a limit to how many friends you can have. It's a lot. They tell us that we can remove old friends to make room for new ones. And you added friends too quickly, which says that there is also a limit to how quickly you can add friends. If you reach this limit, then try again later. So that is the troubleshooting article, and if I open my other tab in Safari you will see this quick answer I found. It says that you can add around 100 to 130 friends every single day. If you've added more than that, then you simply have to wait until the next day in order to add more friends. So the daily limit is around 130 friends max, and the overall limit is about 6,000 Snapchat friends. Keep in mind that this doesn't limit other people from following your Snapchat profile, but it limits the number of friends you can have on your specific profile. So if you want to add more friends on Snapchat but you've reached the limit, then you can always open the app and delete or remove some friends in order to make room for some new ones. If you see a friend on a list that you don't talk to anymore or you would like to remove them, simply long hold on his or her name. Then manage friendship. And simply click on this remove friend button in order to remove a friend and make the room for new ones. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.